Good afternoon, dear students. As you know, we are dealing with the topic digestive system. So today's topic is digestion of food in mouth, or you can say digestion of food in your oral cavity. So for the digestion of food in your mouth or in your oral cavity, there are the processes how the digestion of food occurs in your mouth. Through these processes, the digestion of food occurs in our mouth. As in mouth serves as the two functions. It acts the two functions. First is mastication and swallowing. Mastication and swallowing. So for the mastication and swallowing process, these three parts are very important. That is teeth, saliva and tongue. The different types of teeth which is present in your oral cavity helps to break down your food, or it helps to grind or crush the food into smaller particles so that it can be swallowed easily. So your different types of teeth present in your oral cavity helps to grind, crush, or you can say for mastication of your food. Next, what happened after crushing or grinding the food, the saliva which is secreted from your salivary gland from your sublingual gland, submandibular gland and parotid gland. So your saliva secreted from this gland, sublingual gland, submandibular gland and parotid gland. This saliva helps to lubricate your food and your food passages for the easy swallowing. Next is your tongue. Your tongue helps to mix the food and the saliva and helps in the formation of bolus, that is mixture of food and saliva. Your tongue helps in the formation of bolus, the mixture of food and saliva. After the formation of bolus, the digestion of food, or you can say the digestion of starch or carbohydrates, starts in your mouth. So in the digestion of starch, how digestion of starch occurs? Firstly, the saliva which is secreted by your salivary gland, it has two important enzymes, that is amylase and maltase, salivary amylase and maltase. So first, the starch, that is the polysaccharide. This polysaccharide, in the presence of the enzyme, that is salivary amylase, it is converted into the disaccharide, that is maltose. This starch, in the presence of salivary amylase, it is converted into the disaccharide, that is maltose. And as this maltose is a disaccharide, so it needs to be converted further into a simpler molecule or into a smaller particles so that it can be absorbed by our body. So how this maltose will be converted? The saliva, which contains another enzyme, that is maltase, this maltase enzyme converts the maltose, which is disaccharide, into a smaller particles or into a smaller molecules, that is glucose. So in the maltose, in the presence of the enzyme maltase, it is converted into a simpler molecule, that is glucose, and this glucose is now enough to be absorbed by the human body. Now this glucose is a simpler molecule which can be absorbed by the human body. So from this, the digestion of food occurs in the mouth. I think you have understood this topic. Thank you.